apply to DO medical schools with me. I hope you've seen my last video, which was on applying to MD medical schools. If you haven't, go check that out. In terms of DO schools, now what's the difference? I didn't know, and I know a lot of the people in my life are foreign. So DO is Doctor of Osteopathic Medicine. I've learned this definition pretty much throughout the time, just from listening to people and looking stuff up, but if I have it wrong, please correct me. Way back in the day, osteopathic medicine was supposed to be more preventative medicine, healing medicine. There's body manipulation to it. That's what I've been exposed to in terms of the definition, working with some students who went to osteopathic schools. And over the years, not much has changed in terms of their philosophy of whole body, holistic review. However, the criteria to become a DO and an MD are pretty much exactly the same. DOs actually take 1 or 2 more exams based on the body manipulation stuff, from what I believe. Yeah. Okay. So I'm applying to a couple of DO schools. Come with me. I put in my personal information, which is boring. I'm sure none of you wanted to see that. Okay. Let's go and get all of my personal statement stuff. Okay. Experiences and achievements are different. Okay. Sorry, computer. There we go. Okay. Turn around. So in terms of the DO applications, instead of doing the 15 activities, you now get, I think it's an unlimited amount for DO. I'm not going to do an unlimited amount. I think I have about 15, 16 of the experiences, which are things like research, teaching, volunteering, extracurricular activities, stuff like that. Then they have an awards, scholarship, and honors kind of category, which is a different thing. So, you know, I told you in MD I have that one block. Now I will be explaining those in each. Okay, yeah. So that's the difference between that. Okay, I can't believe I have to do this all again. I felt like I just did deja vu. I just did this. I want lunch. I'm hungry. If you are liking watching my journey, please let me know. If this isn't worth it, I will stop. But if someone is getting information or inspiration out of these little TED Talk, my life's therapy session kind of videos, just let me know. Thanks. Hit like and subscribe.